We said sexual reproduction provides variation. So we're going to talk about variation in this video. The differences between asexual and sexual reproduction are reflected in the different types of cell division involved. In asexual reproduction, the offspring are produced as a result of mitosis from the parent cells. They contain exactly the same chromosomes and the same genes as their parents. There is no variation in the genetic material. In sexual reproduction, however, the gametes are produced by meiosis in the sex organs of the parents. This introduces variation as each gamete is different. Then, when the gametes fuse, one of each pair of chromosomes, and so one of each pair of genes, comes from each parent, which adds more variation. This is why, for example, each parent could have a different eye color, and the offspring could have either one of the eye colors or a combination of both. This is variation, and we don't see this in asexual reproduction. The combination of genes in the new pair of chromosomes will contain different forms of the same genes, which we call alleles, from each parent. So the gene would be eye color, and the allele would be, for example, blue, black, green. This also helps produce variation in the characteristics of the offspring. This is the fusion of gametes at the moment of fertilization. This is one big ovum surrounded by many sperm cells. One sperm cell will enter and fertilize the ovum. The 23 chromosomes in the sperm will join with the 23 chromosomes in the ovum. Of course, here we're talking about humans. And we will have the zygote with 46 chromosomes.